Today, if you want to make some money and you're thinking about running with Amazon, you want to start that part of the rabbit hole, then here's how to actually log in, and so that you can work with Amazon and start working with them and make some money. So let's jump on it. What's going on, BOC?
What's happening, everybody? All right, partying.
What are we doing today? Let people know.
Everybody's going to learn how to sign up for Amazon today, apparently. It's a very nice way to make money if you got your own trucking gig.
Okay, so can I click on this already? It's good?
I'll allow it.
Yes, sir. Okay, so where do people go first step to get to this page?
All right, so you go to relay.amazon.com/get-started, get-started, okay? When you type in how to sign up for Amazon Relay, it's the first thing that comes up on Google, okay? So relay.amazon.com/get-started. This tells you that you can get this from day one with your MC. They don't care. You don't need to be 90 days with a motor, with your authority. You can get all this from day one, right from the jump, okay? And it's a really good way to do some power only freight if you can't invest in the trailer from the jump. So let's see here. Get started. You need to have your active MC, and it tells you what insurance coverages you needed. So active DOT number, active MC, your carrier authorized for property. That's just you have your own trucking authority. Okay. This stuff, the safety. Basic satisfactory, none or not rated. That means you didn't get in a rollover accident yet, or you didn't kill anybody. So that's good. Required insurance. This is the important part. The other stuff is just normal. Now, a lot of people get caught up on this one, the general liability. A lot of people get caught up on that. Think, oh wow, $2 million. That must cost a ton of money. No, this policy, you should have one for your business anyway, in case you're ever at a shipper or receiver and the guy stubs his toe on a nail that in your trailer or anything. The dude falls off your trailer and slips and cracks his neck or whatever. You want commercial general liability to protect you from anything that could happen on your personal property, the business property. So somebody gets hurt on your trailer, or is walking by your awesome Peterbilt and they smack their face on the and crack their tooth on the mirror. This covers it. But Amazon requires it. You got to have commercial general liability. And this costs about $600 a year for a regular policy. It's not expensive. All right. Auto liability, this is standard. $1 million per occurrence. This is a standard requirement for having your own authority. Most brokers don't work with you unless you got the $1 million in coverage. Trailer replacement coverage of $50,000. I can tell you personally that this amount is incorrect. We have the highest trailer interchange policy Progressive offers is $40,000, and we use a $30,000 trailer interchange policy, and we have gotten the okay with Amazon that that's acceptable. So this $50,000 trailer replacement coverage is incorrect. You can operate with the trailer interchange policy, and you're all good. Cargo coverage, $100K, that's standard. That also comes with your normal insurance with your authority. This is another one that guys get hung up on. Really, this is a real bad issue. Everyone thinks that when they sign up for Amazon, they have to get workers' compensation insurance. That's not true. You only need to get workers' comp if you pay W-2 employees. That's the only reason you would need that, and if your state requires it. Some states don't even require workers' comp. And so if you're just, you're a business, you're a sole proprietor or whatever, you don't need a workers' comp. So don't get hung up on this because, oh man, workers' comp costs $7,000 a year. I can't afford that. You don't even need it unless you're paying your employees W-2. So that's why we use contractors, man, because that's just the way it is. It's workers' compensation prices people, small businesses, out of competition. It's too expensive to actually be competitive with other larger trucker companies. This employer liability, not less than $1,000, that's also standard, right? That comes with all your normal policies. So there you go. Create an Amazon account first, or if you already have one, you could use the same Amazon account you use logging in to buy your your cases of energy drinks like me.
We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.